Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to check credit balance in DoorDash app, promo, gift card and refund credits. Method: first, check your credit balance in the app. Open the DoorDash app and sign in, then tap your account or profile icon. Open payment, then your available DoorDash credit will be displayed. This balance includes eligible promo credits, gift card credit and refund credits. Second one is check during checkout. Add item to your cart, then tap view cart or checkout. Scroll to the payment section. Your available credits and gift card balance will appear and can be applied to your order if eligible. So how to check refund credits? Open the DoorDash app, go to orders and select the order you were refunded for. Then view the receipt to see the refund amount and status. If you received DoorDash credit instead of a card refund, it will appear in your credit balance immediately. Card refund may take several business days to appear on your statement. Thanks for watching.